Welcome back to Market Master. Today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin and particularly what happens when a new Fed chair takes seat. I've populated this back to before our Bitcoin records, and obviously we had a major fall off in the market back here down to a low. Now, the next time that a new Fed chair took over, let's take a look at what the data says about a top to a bottom here. It looks like about 11 months and can be somewhere around the 8th month we could be looking for another bottom. Let's go over here and let's have a look at what Powell did when he took over. Well, it looks like the market came down around a 10, 11, and 12 month period. So that was a bit longer, but fairly close and rhyming. Let's take a look at what happened when he took his second seat of position there. We have 9, 10, and 11. So again, our metric is somewhere between that 9, 10, and 11 and 12. Again, here we are now. Powell will be leaving his seat and Warsh will be taking over. So from that we would be expecting something around, we said 9. So starting the early part of the year, February, most likely a low will come in and the market will change. And that doesn't discount April and up to as far as May here. So this data is derived directly from when the Fed chairs took office to when the market yielded its downward dissension. And typically we speak about our market cycles and the analysis that's involved in that. So I wanted to bring together this video for you today so that we could see what happens. Thank you.